All right, we have another command here. We're going to start it the same way we did the other ones. We're going to hit slash and we're going to do TA. Okay. You can see that you have TA subscribe and TA unsubscribe, right? I didn't cover this in the other videos, but everything will have an unsubscribe. So you're doing the same thing just in reverse. If you want to unsubscribe to something, you're just going to pick unsubscribe instead of subscribe. In this instance, we are going to subscribe, and this is going to give us our technical analysis alerts. These are probably some of the most valuable alerts that come into the system because it gives you an idea of how the asset's performing. If you're subscribed to multiple, you will get an idea like how is the market going up, down, sideways. So we're going to pick crypto. We are going to go on the lower time frame here and we are going to pick a ticker. We can do XRP, of course. This is everybody's favorite. We could do BTC, ETH. We could do XLM, HBAR. So what this is going to do, any alert that comes into the micro alert channel, you guys don't see it. This thing gets bombarded with probably 100 alerts a minute. Of a crypto type, the lower time frame of any of these five here, any alert will come in the channel just like these that are over here. So let's go ahead and hit enter. We hit enter and we can see that it says, okay, now we're subscribed to those five assets that we put in there. So from now, all these technical alerts will come pouring into your private channel to give you an idea of what's going on with your assets.